Hey guys, so I want to show you how to relinquish work sets from a BIM 360 model. So in some other models, it might be easy to do this. You can just easily replace your username with their username and then open a model and relinquish it. But the problem with BIM 360 is you have to sign in and then it'll lock out your name and then you can't then change it and then relinquish somebody else's. So, you can't simply do that, which is a problem if you have to relinquish elements that other people that have them and they haven't synced or saved or left the model open or something like that. Do keep in mind if you do this and they are going to sync, or you haven't spoken with them and they're currently working in the model and that you do this, they'll lose everything. So definitely keep that in mind. So when you open up a model, whatever it is, and you're signed in, you can go to your Collaborate tab, and then on the Manage the Manage Models panel, you'll find Manage Cloud Models. And if you click that button, you'll get this dialog box. Yours may look different depending on what projects and stuff you have in there and who's been in there. But you can see here, there's been some stuff done to this, and it shows who updated it, the model name, last updated it. And all you have to do is hover over it or hover over any of these, because these represent different models within one of the projects. So you can see here, you can go back to project home. If we click on that, you can go back to the project home. Now we'll go back into this project. So you don't have to have the specific model open, it doesn't matter. So what you do is you choose one of the models, then over here you can see actions. If you click that drop down, it says relinquish. If you click on that, now for this one it says currently none of the team members own any elements, but if that is the case, you can force relinquish it. And then you would click through that, and then you would be good to go to then start editing those elements. It's always worth syncing it after you do that as well. So that's how you would force relinquish somebody's work sets. So just keep that in mind in case you ever get locked out of a BIM 360 model, or at least some of the elements in there, and you can't sign in. Then also, if you have issues opening it, and it could be, if it is a work set issue, then you could open up a different model or something, then go into this dialog box, choose that project, and then relinquish that user's permissions. So hopefully that helped. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks a lot for watching.